Water is one of the most important constituents of our body, and it's very important to drink adequate amount of water. No matter what you're trying to do, water is indispensable. However, a lot of people don't like drinking water. So for those people, this video will be invaluable. So keep on watching and I will show you how to make infused water in just seconds. The first infused water that we are going to make today is with natural ingredients that we have at home. The first one is going to be ginger. Ginger has gingerol in it, which helps in metabolism and digestion and helps decreasing weight loss. Second ingredient we have today is mint leaves. What does mint leaves do? So mint leaves helps in getting digestive enzymes getting out, faster metabolism, and it also releases bile. And also mint has a beautiful flavor which makes the infused water taste delicious. And number 3, the lemon. So the lemons, which I have cut already, helps with a lot of things including boosting our immune system, natural cleansing of the body, potassium, vitamins, B, C and calcium, magnesium, iron and antioxidants. Now I am going to show you how to make the infused water. So we are going to take the ginger and put the entire ginger inside the jar. Then we are going to take the mint leaves and put all of the mint leaves, which I have pre-washed them, and put it inside there. And lastly, we are going to take these lemons, which are already cut, and the final step is adding water. So I have some cold water here, which I am adding. And then you are going to keep this, you're going to shake it a little bit, and in a couple of hours, your ginger, lemon, mint infused water for weight loss is ready. Drink it throughout the day. Second infused water that I'm going to make is also going to help with losing weight. Guess what? The 2 ingredients are very easy. The number 1 ingredient is cucumber. And what does cucumber do? Cucumber is only 45 calories for the whole piece of the cucumber, and it also helps with getting a flat belly. Who doesn't want a flat belly? Tell me that. It has 96% water. It helps with the bloating of the stomach. It helps cool down the body and helps the metabolism. I think it is one of the most amazing products that we have for weight loss. The second product, which is the green line, helps the cucumber in bringing a tangy taste and also helps with the digestion. And I think the combination of these two are an amazing infused water ingredient. I'm going to put the cucumbers inside the ice, which I have already taken, and then I'm going to take the lemons and take a few lemons. I don't think I will need all of them. And then I'm going to add water. Just make sure it's not up to the brim. And then you are going to put the lid on the mason jar, and you can shake them a little bit. After the shaking is done, in 1 to 2 hours, the water is ready, and this is one of the most amazing ingredients, and the cucumber lime water is going to help with weight loss. The third infused water that we are going to make is also a delicious one and is one of my favorites, and it has strawberry. Guess what strawberry does? Strawberry is low in sugar and it helps with hydration, and the light flavor of the detox water makes it people more drink and feel fuller. It's low in calorie, it increases your metabolism as well, and it is absolutely delicious. The second ingredient we have is the lemon, which helps in digestion and gives you vitamin C and other antioxidants. The third ingredient is sweet basil. And what does sweet basil do? Basil contains many vitamins and minerals as well as antioxidants, and it also helps in helping with making the food more palatable. It tastes spicy and bitter sometimes, but can also form an incredible sense of flavor to the water, and the smell is delicious. It is one of the oldest herbs known to mankind. So we take the mason jar and then you can cut the strawberries into pieces, but I prefer keeping the strawberries whole because later on then you can have the strawberry. This water, usually I keep it longer. It takes about 12 hours to get the benefits of the strawberry and the sweet basil in here, and the lemon goes there. And now I am going to add some water to it. After that, you are going to shake this a little bit. After shaking, you are going to keep this in the fridge for 12 hours and a delicious drink is made already. The next infused water, you can actually drink it hot or cold. That's the best part of this. And it has green tea, it has apples, which are Honeycrisp apples I chose, and cinnamon. So what does these do? An apple is highly nutritious. However, more than that, it has a whopping carbs of only 25 grams, fiber of 4 grams, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K. It is a rich source of polyphenols and they are responsible for weight loss. There was a study that was done that told that if you drink continuously apple flavored water, you are actually going to have a suppressed appetite, and that is why people do lose weight when they take apples or applesauce. And the same thing goes with the flavored water. The second ingredient we have is green tea. And what does green tea do? Green tea contains healthy bioactive compounds, improves brain function, increases fat burning, which causes you to lose weight. I have already made some green tea in a pot and I am going to add the green tea. As I said, if you want to drink it hot, you can absolutely do so because this can be used as a hot or a cold drink. In this case, I am taking the green tea and then I am going to add 1 cinnamon. I am going to break it into 2 pieces and just add this and then add all of the apples in there. And of course, last but not the least, we are going to add the water. Again, do not go to the brim and try to stay a little bit lower down, and then you are going to shake this a little bit. And now we have a delicious cinnamon apple green tea. Another benefit I forgot to tell you is cinnamon can reduce sugar in your blood and helps in metabolism as well. So this is a beautiful drink. I love this drink, both hot and cold. The next one is going to be my last one. However, this is one of my most favorite ones. So for this one, you're going to need some mint leaves, and you already know the benefits of the mint. Second ingredient you take is some ginger pieces that I have already cut. And you know ginger helps in metabolism and helps with weight loss. And then we have some delicious oranges cut up here. These are a high source of vitamin C and helps with so many other functions as an immune booster in our cells. However, the most interesting one in this infused water is going to be these grapes. Now look, I have cut open these grapes. The reason I have cut open these grapes is because I want the entire flavor, the sweetness of the grape to go into this. Now I know it is going to be a little bit rich in calories, but guess what? It's probably not going to be any more than 20 calories for this whole water. But think about that, how beautiful these grapes are going to be. It is packed with antioxidants, which helps with chronic diseases. It's beneficial for your heart. It also helps with certain types of cancer and so much more. And I absolutely love this drink. Now I'm going to add the mint leaves, which adds to the tanginess of this. Then I'm going to add the oranges that were sliced previously. I'm going to add the grapes in there. And you can even squeeze the grapes if you want, like this, to get all the benefits of the grapes inside. You can absolutely squeeze them. And last but not the least, what is going to really help this is the ginger. And for this one, I didn't grate the ginger. I kept it in slices. And now I'm going to add water to this amazing mixture. And shake it a little bit. And keep it for at least 4 to 5 hours before you drink. And a delicious grape, mint, orangey, gingery drink is made. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I loved making this video.